Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Maria and I'm so glad that you are tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and let's get started. So I mentioned in the previous video that I launched this year that the JLO Beauty collection for skincare has come out and I got it, you guys. This is a video of my first impressions and I am going to also do my makeup. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And the packaging is beautiful. It says it took her 2 years and 21 versions to get this powerful house mix of instant tightening and youthful glow. My first impressions on the packaging itself, it's beautiful. it's like this, I don't even know, it's like a bronze color. I'm gonna put it in the comments. And what does it look like to you? What color? Just this packaging alone, I'm obsessed. I love the square for the moisturizer. This is beautiful. And I love this packaging here. It almost looks like a giant lipstick from a distance. We'll have that star filming star, which, this one's all right. This over here is bomb. It also comes with the cleanser, which I'm not going to use this cleanser until after I remove my makeup. As far as a cleanser, it has like a creamy clear consistency. It's not very liquidy, but it's a beautiful tint. So I'm going to go ahead and switch it around as you guys can see. Can you see that glow? And wow, the texture, oh my God. Doesn't smell like anything besides fresh and clean, but look at that. I'm like, maybe I should go cleanse my face. Look at the difference. Dry, and glowy. I'm like, wow. That's just the cleanser. Give me a second. I'll be back. I'm gonna go wash my face with this, even though I don't have any makeup on. But we're gonna do the review. Let's do it right. I just wet my face and I put the product on, and it's really leathery. Free enough that you're not going to struggle, and it's not gonna tug your skin, which is a plus. And I still can't really smell anything. It doesn't have a strong fragrance. That's what I'm trying to say. I've cleansed my skin. I'm gonna go rinse it off. It did lather up very well. I'm sure if I did this in the shower, it would be awesome. But because I'm doing it in front of the camera, it done dried up on my skin. Let me wash it off and I'll be back to proceed with the rest of the products. This is the serum bottle. And this is what the packaging looks like from the inside. All right, so I'm gonna put some on my hand here, just like I demonstrated earlier. ¿Cuántos pumps? JLO. No sé cuántos pumps fueron before it came out. I don't know how many pumps it was before it came out, okay, you guys? But it's like a milky consistency. Wait. I don't really smell anything, but look at the texture. Wow. Like 2 or 3 drops. Put the serum on. And I'm gonna go ahead. Look how cute this packaging is. Oh my gosh, it's just absolutely beautiful. It has like this lid on it. And the cream, it kind of looks like just regular crema. Turn it to the side, it's not coming out or anything like that, which is good. So let's go ahead and scoop a little bit out with my nail. I'm just gonna put it there, and feels nice. I smell like, I don't know if it's like the olive oil extract or what. Very, very soft, very, very clean. It's not strong at all. It gives you that glow, because look at this hand. This hand's not as shiny as the other one. That's a big difference right there. Let's put it on their face. Let's put it on the cheeks, on the forehead. And I might not need this much, y'all. I don't know. I haven't watched any reviews, so I don't even know if this is way too much on my face. I just wanted to surprise myself. And now that I just rubbed that on my forehead, I think I put too much. So, well, it feels really good on the skin, I gotta say that. It's a little bit on the thicker side. Since I overdid it, I'm gonna go ahead and drag the rest of it down my neck and my chest. It feels, I don't want to say it's like super light, because I could feel that I have the cream on my face. It's not like my skin is like absorbing it right away. It's not. I feel like it's laying over my skin and giving me that hydration. I'm gonna leave it on for just a few seconds because I feel like this cream is a little bit more thicker than my Charlotte Tilbury. The Charlotte Tilbury does go over my skin, but my skin automatically absorbs it. This one, I feel like it's taking its time to melt into my skin. I think it's been like a minute. The product has now really seeped into my skin because it's like, it doesn't feel as heavy as when I first applied it. I'm gonna be making a video comparing the JLO Beauty cream with the Charlotte Tilbury cream. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to this here. One pump, and since it's new, I have to, all right, wow. Ooh, this is intimidating. I just have to say, I did one pump. I'm gonna grab a little tiny dot like that, and I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand because the rest I'm gonna put on my face. And I'm like, oh, it's a little bit intimidating because this color is a lot darker than my skin. But wow, look at that. What? Did I just give myself a tan, like on camera? It literally looks like it. A tan, but with the glow, the JLO glow. Okay, I'm gonna be brave. I'm gonna put this pea size on my face. Ooh, ooh. Off the back, does not look like it would match me. But let's see. Holy moly, guacamole. Guys, I can't go back. Now, is this supposed to be for your face? At this point, girls, we're gonna roll with it. Yo, girl, got scared for a second there, and I'm like, ¿qué vamos a hacer? Go wash it off with the cleanser. I'm kind of shocked. Despite how it looked when I first applied it, it's actually blending into my skin, surprisingly. I thought I was gonna stay looking like Oompa Loompa here. Wow, okay. JLo, you scared me there for a second, woman. She said 21 tries. 22 more tries, okay, girl? It balanced it out with my skin. Like, I really like this, even though I was scared at first. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Charlotte Tilbury one. You can use any foundation that you have, obviously, but I want to use this one since I want to doll up today. One pump right there. Go ahead and start here. Okay. Now this foundation does have fragrance, so I don't know if I'm gonna have a counter reaction because of the ingredients JLo has and what Charlotte Tilbury ingredients have. I don't know, I'll find out. Give you guys an update. We're just testing everything. We really are. I mean, so far so good, y'all. I really am liking both combos. Very nice. Let me get a little bit close so you guys could see. Pretty interesting. Very nice. You guys could see that glow coming through the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. You really can see that. I could see it. On with the Magic Way Concealer. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in this area here. And I'm going to put it back here just to highlight this area. Same thing on this other side. Highlight this area. I'm going to use the other end of this brush here and just press it in. Oh. Wow. Then I'm going to use the other end and blend it right here on the cheekbone. Wow, look at that, you guys. Okay, I'm doing the same thing here. That looks nice. I'm going to go ahead and contour. I'm just going to put it there. Put it there. Put just some dots there, like that. Put some dots there. There. And blend the makeup. And blend the top. I have to say that that glow is still remaining on my face, despite the layers of creams that I have applied to my face. I'm using the #1 from Charlotte Tilbury with her brush, and I'm going to slightly tap off the excess, and I'm just going to dust it over this area here. The nose. Over. The #2, I am going to use it on the outsides of my face to give me that dimension. Same thing there. Over the eyelids. With both the Filming Star and the bronzer. This is it. And I hit pan. I still got a lot of product left though. I'm going to use her brush, and I'm going to slightly dust that here. Dust it over here. Dust it here. Go in with the Filming Star. Same thing. Wash it there. Wash it there. Apply it here. Pillow Talk blush and just hit those areas there. With a clean brush, I'm going to just feather this in. Go ahead and fill in the spurts area with this pencil. Like that. Same thing over here. Doing little strokes. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush the product in. Do the same thing on this side. They don't look as harsh. The same thing on this side. And then with the Charlotte Tilbury, I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna go in here and just tame them. Lightly tame. Spray my face with the Charlotte Tilbury all night. Also gonna back it up with my Scandinavia. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes and I'll be back. And I invested in this device, you guys. It's for your lashes. You place it like so on your eyelid and then you can go to town on your eyes. So I decided to give it a try. As you know, JLO, she's extra. Oh, look at that. I literally coated every lash. I'm gonna have to comb them with the Pillow Talk lipstick. I'm doing my Cupid's bow. Follow it up with the Pillow Talk lipstick. This little device does work. I know pack on the mascara, but I would also suggest you guys buying a mascara brush to comb through those lashes, because you will pack on so much mascara on the top that if they look clumpy, you want to be able to separate them. And do the mascara at the bottom. I'm going to use the It Tightline Cosmetics. And I am going to use this little device at the bottom, and let's see what it does. Brush them. So you're supposed to brush them like so. And pack on that color. I'm not sure how I feel about the bottom yet. Proof for the top, but the bottom, still debating on this device at the bottom. It does help, but it's kind of hard to talk and do it on camera. It's a little difficult. Update on the makeup. I have had it for 8 hours and my skin still looks flawless. I've only blotted my T-zone one time. I probably would have to do it again, but I'm not going to, because I'm actually going to wash it off. Let me get really close. This is probably too close for comfort for you guys, but let me guys show you. It did not break. Usually most skincare products that I mix with the Charlotte Tilbury foundation will separate in this area, and it didn't separate. We went to dinner. I had my mask on. I still have foundation on my nose. It didn't fall off. And I still have foundation in the areas here where I would have lost a lot of it by now. I don't even want to take off my makeup because it looks so good still. 8 hours after. This is amazing. This is a game changer. This completes the final look for the JLO skincare collection. Using it with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Star Filmer, I think, is really pulling through the foundation. It looks absolutely beautiful. Let me know if you guys can see it too in the comments below. What do you guys think? Are you kind of curious to go out and buy it and try it for yourself? Other than that, you guys, I appreciate you all watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And remember, consider subscribing. Become part of the community. Appreciate your support. I love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.